So we are here with the Olight M2R Pro Warrior, an extremely tactical flashlight. It has a great user interface in my opinion. It's extremely direct, fast and simple. And we have two switches for operation. There is a tactical tail switch as well as a side switch. And you always have access to turbo, to moonlight, and also to a strobe mode. So you can use the side switch to switch it on. It starts in the previously used mode. Press and hold the switch to go through the different levels. Double click turbo, triple click strobe. Press and hold the switch when the flashlight is off and you get the moonlight mode. When you switch it off in moonlight, then start again, you again get the moonlight mode. So that also gets saved. Second, third, fourth, and turbo. Second, third, fourth, and turbo. Switch it off and back on, and it again starts in turbo. So all those modes, including the moonlight mode, are being saved. When the light is on, you do not have a direct access to the moonlight mode. So basically you have to switch it off and then press and hold the switch and you go directly to the moonlight mode. So this is truly, in my opinion, a perfect interface here on the side switch. And we have the tail switch. Half press gives you I believe it's about 250 lumens mode, and a full press gives you turbo or strobe. So there are two different modes for this operation, for the flashlight, or basically for the tail switch. So in the first mode, or in one mode, you have a turbo and strobe, and in the other mode you got a mid-level mode, or mid-level lumen level, and turbo. So basically you have about 250 lumens, and then the turbo with a full press of about 1800 lumens. Now this is the mode with the strobe. So now we get turbo immediately, always turbo with a half press, and then strobe. So this is extremely tactical. And here, as you can see, there is only the momentary on, no constant on here when you are in this special mode with the strobe and turbo. And we can now change it. So a full press on the tail switch, and then at the same time you do a press on the side switch. We are now going to do that, full press and then a side switch. And now, as you can see, we have a turbo. Oh, it's not a turbo, it's the 250 lumen mode. And then we have turbo. So half press or full press gives you 250 lumens or 1800 lumens. And now we also have a momentary and constant on function. So a quick press gives you this constant on mode. When you press and hold it and then release it, and yeah, so then you have this momentary on feature, which can be great, of course. And it's also capable of a tail stand. It's rechargeable. There is a magnetic charging port on the tail switch here. So basically you just connect the charging cable here directly with its magnetic charging or part. You lay it on the tail switch and it automatically starts charging, and when it is on 95% or more battery charge, it's gonna switch to green, the indicator LED that shows you the battery status. But you can also use an external charger to charge this battery, but not all chargers will work. The one that I have tested is the Phoenix ARE-D2, and that charger works also with these batteries. There's a 21700 battery included in the package, and that truly gives you a bit more beam or duration, a bit more runtime than on an 18650 battery. So this is the Olight M2R Pro. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment. If you liked the video, you can press the like button or the thumbs up, and you can of course also subscribe to the channel for more news in the future. Thanks for watching, and see you soon in the next video presentation.